Good morning, children. Yesterday we got addition sums, means without arranging numbers in a column, just by observing the numbers, we solve the numbers in a which form? In a horizontal form. In this class, we will see the addition story. This is the last exercise of a lesson number 5.6, which contain addition story problems. These addition story problems are we going to solve in the notebook. At first, what you have to do, children? At first, we will read the questions in the textbook. In the textbook, page number 118, we are having story problems on addition. At first, we will read the stories and we will solve the story problems in the notebook. So, open this page. See, children, page number 119. The question what we are having, solve the story problems in your notebook. A, B, C, D. We are going to solve in today's class. So take down as the classwork, 29th of September 2021. These 4 story problems I already wrote in the notebook. So what, with the help of means these story problems I will show it to in the notebook. First question, Meena travelled 11,349 km and Anand travelled 12,132 km. How many kilometers did they travel in all? Like this, these 4 story problems you had to copy down in a notebook. In one page, at first you take down A, down B, C, D, like this. You copy down all the 4 story problems in a notebook. Now I will show you the first story in the notebook. Okay, first story problem what we are having, this one I already copied down in the notebook. At first, classwork, day, date and exercise 5.6 we are having addition stories. Solve the story problems in your notebook. The question of what we are having, Meena travelled 11,349 km and Anand travelled 12,132 km. How many kilometers did they travel in all? See, children, the line, the word what we are having in all means we had to do the addition. So here I will show you to the solution. Otherwise, take down as arrow mark itself. At first, Meena travelled how many kilometers? Meena travelled how much? 11,349 kilometer. Then Anand travelled how many kilometers? 12,132 kilometers. See, this is ones place, tens place, 100,000 and 10,000 place. First, this is ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000 place. Which sign we have to insert here? Plus sign. Now we have to add this number. 9 plus 2. Remember the 9. Take down 2 fingers. After 2 9, 10, 11. 1, 11. 1 plus 4. Otherwise 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. Next. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. After 3 digit, we had to give comma. So, how many kilometers they travelled in all? Here we have to write the answer as they travelled 23,481 kilometers in all. This is our answer. See, children, in the question itself we are having how many kilometers did they travel in all. So here they travelled, the answer what we are having, 23,481 kilometers in all. This is our answer. This is our first story. Next question. Here question number 2 I already copied down in the notebook. Minty and Tini filled petrol in for their cars. Minty paid how much rupees? Minty paid, so first I will take the question. Minty paid rupees how much? 1345. And Tini, Tini, Tini paid rupees 1235 for the petrol. How many rupees did they pay in all? In all means we had to do the addition here. So first we will add this one. 5 plus 5, 10. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. Next, 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. After 3 digit, we have to give comma. And this is the sign of rupees. This is which sign? This is the sign of rupees. Don't forget to keep the sign. So, how many rupees did they pay in all? Here we had to write they pay. This is the answer. They paid rupees 2580 in all. This is our answer. Okay. Easy we having. First we have to arrange the numbers. If you are getting confused to write this, all this means just you copy down the numbers, add this one. At last you have to make a box of this answer. Next, question number C. A parking lot had 22,475 red cars, 13,285 other colored cars. How many colors did it have in all? Here, first we will write red color car. Red color cars. How many red color cars we are having? 22,475. And other colored cars, other color cars, we are having 13,285. Addition sign we had to keep. 5 plus 5, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, otherwise 8 to 16. Otherwise take down 8 fingers, count in a forward direction, we will get 16. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. After 3 digit, we had to give comma. So, how many cars did it have in all? Means, how many cars we are having? 35,760 cars are there in parking lot. Total how many cars we are having in the parking lot? We are having 35,760 cars. This is cars. So make it as a car. So 35,760 cars are there in a parking lot. Next and the last question. Question number D. It's from textbook itself. See, I will read the question at first. In a vehicle factory, there were 1,258 cars and 4,260 scooters and 1,173 trucks. First we will write the numbers. How many cars we are having? 1,258 cars. Then 4,230 scooters. Next, 1,173 trucks. How many vehicles were there in all? In all means we have to do the addition. Keep plus sign here. First 8 plus 3. Remember the digit 8. Take down 3 fingers. After to 8, 9, 10, 11. After to 11 we have to add 3 to 11. 12, 13, 14. 1 to the tens place. 4 here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. We have to give comma. So how many vehicles are there in a vehicle factory? There are, here we have to write, there are 6,644 vehicles were there in all, otherwise were there in a factory, were there in a vehicle factory. Okay, these many vehicles are there in a vehicle factory. This is our answer. Once again we will see the starting from, once again we will see at first Meena traveled 11,349 kilometers, then Anand traveled 12,132 kilometers, they traveled 23,481 kilometers in all. This is our solution. Neatly you have to arrange the numbers in a column. If you are getting confusion means you have to make a box of this one to avoid the confusion. Okay, like this, make a box if you are having any confusion means, otherwise you may add directly. Okay, which is easier for you, you follow that one. Next, moving to the question number B. Here Minty paid 1,345 rupees, Tina paid rupees 1,235. They both paid 2,580 in all. Question number C. Parking lot contain this many red cars and this many colored cars. Total 35,760 cars were there in a parking lot. And the last, this is about the vehicle factory. It contains this many cars, scooters and trucks. By adding this one, how many means what the answer we got? 6,644. This is about today's class homework. Homework, what you have to do children? You have to resolve these story problems. Resolve these story problems for 2 times. Okay, these 4 story problems, once again you have to take the question and for 2 times you have to resolve it. This is your today's homework. Do it properly, send it. Bye.